So it was love at first sight. From the moment we met at Mahalakshmi Temple, Kolhapur, to this beautiful moment, every step has been so magical for us. असं वाटलं जणू देवानेच आम्हाला एकमेकांसाठी बनवलंय. How can I ever thank you, said. You came into my life like an angel. You loved me when I couldn't even love myself. Care for me like a child. Today, as we start this new journey as husband and wife, I promise to stand by you, love you in each and every moment. Thank you. Thank you so much for being for me always.
आली चाहूल कुणाची हे डूल कुणाचे झुलते ग आले पाऊल कुणाचे ही भूल कुणाची अनाहुत ग माझ्या मग्न तळाकाठी स्वप्न तुझ्यासाठी गिरवले ग आली चाहूल कुणाची हे डोल कुणाचे झुलते ग तुझ्या वीण नाही ग
तुझे माझे सांगताना एक लिहिले जाईल उभे दोन जरी पुढे
दिसे